I first came across Gavin Bell when I was listening to a podcast where he was a guest. So after being impressed by what I heard, I checked him out on his Facebook page. And not surprisingly, I was retargeted with a Facebook ad and an email as well offering a 7-day trial of the Funnel Academy. To be honest, I thought initially, do you know what, I will give this a go, but I'll probably unsubscribe on the 6th day. But actually on the 7th day, I decided that the value that Gavin gives and the knowledge that he provides on top of what I already had about Facebook ads was invaluable. I was really quite surprised about the level of depth he goes into and how supportive the Funnel Academy private group is as well. I would certainly say that in my time at the Academy, I learned an awful lot about Facebook ads, which I thought I already knew, and it really helped me hone my campaigns as well. So if you're thinking about joining the Funnel Academy, I would definitely recommend it. It's a really supportive group, and Gavin's positivity as well really rubs off and is really inspiring in terms of giving advice to other people, which you can learn from as well, even if it's not your own campaign.